here today looking for some spruce trees, 6-footers. We'll see what we got. I'm gonna plant these at a customer's house. About to get home today. Wearing the Easy Breads. I always like coming home because I get to see our little guy. Gets excited to see us home. Are you excited to see me? I missed you. What are you doing? Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Oh, your mommy's working today. Here you go. Take your laptop. Take it with you. You get your haircut today, little boy. What do you think? You're gonna lose all that fur. Look at all that hair. You're gonna be bald today. You're gonna draw this hair. I don't know. You think I should get a haircut too? You think I should get a haircut? I think my hair's kind of long enough to get a haircut, Carmelo. What do you think? Should I get a haircut or no? Oh, you can get a haircut today. We'll see. We'll see. Next clip will be Carmelo with his hair all gone.
Okay.
We're getting Carmelo his lamb chop. A little small version of what he already has. Lamb chop and a piggy. I'm just here to watch Ryan.
Alright, sauce up!
I'm only gonna record Ryan. What? That was where are they?
Here she comes.
There, she's right there. She's right there.
Here she comes.
She got the PS5. Okay, we just got the PS5, and it has the name of. Let's see. It has the name of Amanda. I can see Amanda Nielsen. So you got PS5? I don't even have one. How'd you get yours so early? Oh. Carmelo. Look over here. Carmelo, why'd you go? No. There's my PS5. Thank you. Hey, welcome back, guys. We got some stuff this week. Got a good amount. So this is a shirt that I made for myself. So you have it, how you guys like it? Has the word "kick it" on it. Cream. So came with this little thing. I'm not sure what this is. I didn't know this was gonna come in the package. And then we ordered the side bag or the shoulder bag. It's called. Really tell right there. Look at that. Packaging is awesome. Here's my info. Look at that packaging. Dear God. Essentials. Let's see how this looks. Look at that. And here's it. This is the sweater. It's actually the same color as that shirt. So look at that. Take a look. And there you go. This and that. The Supreme backpack. I haven't had one of these in a while. So this is what I picked up this last week. See the Supreme backpack. The Essentials Fear God collection. Small shoulder bag, Supreme stickers, and my own custom shirt. That is what we got.
Wow.
Yeah.
All the Supreme stuff. What are these?
They're bubbles. I don't know why. All right, now that we saw what I got this week, I did want to go into the topic of sneakers. So these are some of the sneakers that I do own, and I do have a couple more in my closet. So if you do want to see more of these sneakers, high-end sneakers, make sure to drop a like and a comment with your favorite sneaker. So one of the shoes that I do want to point out today are these, the University Blue Jordan 1. If you are in the sneaker world, you do know that these have not released yet. These released March 6th, and I was one of the lucky people to get an early pair. I got them back in January, and I've been rocking these for a month now. Gotten a lot of compliments, and I for sure do think this is a must cop shoe. And yeah, make sure to drop a like. Oh, he's coming. Come on.
Did you hear that?